It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, September 24th. I'm James Spann. Showers today possible, but look for better rain chances tomorrow and over the weekend. And maybe some tropical mischief in the Gulf next week. Let's go in there and talk about things this morning. Polar jet stream up in Canada, where it's been for a while. Low pressure trough on the South Atlantic coast, gradually drifting westward. That's the feature that will likely bring those better rain chances. Starting off this day around 70, we'll expect a high in the 80s today. Our average high is 83. We'll be close to that. Convective outlook today. No organized severe weather expected across the country. And the rain for the next 5 days is expected. Numbers are coming up. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts of between 1/2 and 1 inch likely for much of the state. Tropical weather. We have Tropical Storm Ida in the central Atlantic and little disturbance on the coast of Central America that will be one to watch. Ida will be drifting north and then curving back to the west with not much change in strength through Tuesday of next week, far from land. And the little feature that is on the coast of Central America will be moving north across the Yucatan, winding up in the southern Gulf by Sunday and Monday. And that'll be one to watch, and we'll take a look at the modeling on that here. In fact, here's the GFS. The 06Z run valid today at 1 o'clock local time. There's an upper low over the Florida Panhandle. Down below that, we have a surface trough on the South Atlantic coast drifting westward. Pretty good chunk of Alabama dry today, but there could be some showers mainly over the eastern counties this afternoon. And we'll expect a high in the mid-80s today. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 85. Tomorrow, deeper moisture moves in from the east. And tomorrow should be a cooler day and a wetter day. Periods of rain are likely for the northern half of the state with highs in the 70s. In fact, the GFS showing high only is 74 because of clouds and rain. So needless to say, there could be some rain for the high school football games tomorrow night. The good news, we don't expect any thunder or lightning, so no lightning delays. Saturday, as the weekend begins, pretty good pool of moisture stays in place, so showers a distinct possibility Saturday and Saturday night. Not going to rain the whole day, but it could rain at times very easily. So for those of you headed to the Auburn game Saturday evening, the Alabama game in Tuscaloosa Saturday afternoon, I would take some rain gear, and the high would be most likely in the upper 70s on Saturday. And the same thing Sunday, a chance of showers. High Sunday afternoon around 80 with more clouds than sun. And this is Monday of next week. We stay moist. And there's our tropical low in the Gulf of Mexico, south of Mobile Bay. Tuesday, a tropical low near the mouth of the Mississippi River on the journey north, coming right up the chute. And if this happens to be correct, needless to say, the rain chances will greatly increase by Tuesday. And then Wednesday, the broad surface low is inland near the Alabama-Mississippi border. But understand there is great uncertainty with this thing. We'll take a look at the European. This is valid Tuesday, and it basically shows nothing in the Gulf. However, the Canadian does show a well-developed system. Peek at the SSTs, and we note that the water is cooler near the immediate coast with SSTs in the 70s, so hopefully that will prevent this from being a major system when it comes up toward the Gulf Coast, if it comes up toward the Gulf Coast, but certainly it's something to watch. And again, we stress at this early stage of the game, nobody knows if this will be a significant system or the ultimate destination, but probability is fairly high. There could be some type of tropical development in the Gulf by the early part of next week, so we'll keep a close eye on that. This is the end of the forecast period. October 3rd, westerlies beginning to increase a little bit across the country, and down below that, still no really cold air. That's suggesting highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s and maybe a few showers around. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.